Well, this is my 74 Valiant doing some rust repair. Sandblasted it all. Not too bad. Except for right there. Some little cheesies and stuff and things. But anyway, this is how you cut it out. So I finished cutting out the spot. Now I'm just going to peel this out from my handy dandy screwdriver here. And see how much crap and rust is in me and all this. Oh look, what's in there? It's a little sharp, but there's a piece of rusty round bar. Another piece off like a friggin' bicycle neck or something or other. There's a plastic clip and a whole lot of rust. But anyway, there it is. Voila. And this is my replacement piece. New metal, old metal. All they use was grinders, a flexible ruler, a cheap ass angle finder from the dollar store, a black marker, and some common sense, and a small sandblaster. Just to sandblast the fucking rusty area, like this type of stuff. Stop blaster. The inner quarter looks good. The inner trunk extension is solid. So now just to weld her back in. Sandblasted it all. And then I painted it with some PR15 paint sealer. This stuff will never rust again. I also painted the back side of a new piece. Just so there's no bare metal. Well, here's the piece welded in. Well, tacked in, I should say. Small tacks. Doesn't have to be too particular because you're going to grind it and fill it after anyway. I'm just a hillbilly backyard guy. I've done lots of sheet rollers here. And if you don't like my music, too fucking bad. Well, here's the finished product. It's done. It looks like crap, but it's actually, you know, it's a shitty grinding job. No holes. Job done. So anyway, this is how you cut it out. Well, this is my 74 Valiant doing some rust repair. Sandblasted it all. Not too bad. Except for right there. Some little cheesies and stuff and things. Okay, let's see what's in here. More rust. Yeah. Ouch. Oh. No surprises in there. Just rust. No bolts or things or stuff. Just rust. Oh well. Way she fucking goes. Not sure there's something up inside of there, but Yeah, whatever. Okay. Rust patch number 2. That's the finished product. Nice small patch knife. But, yeah. That's pretty much it for that. Okay.